So this bucket started off life with a lid with 2 holes in it and a 90-degree fitting, like so, with this squirrel cage in it, or that one, depending on... This one's a lot louder than that one, but this one blows like 5 times the amount of air. It kind of worked, but once it hit 90 degrees outside, it didn't really cool once you had ice in this bucket. So I had a bunch of junk laying around, so I grabbed a cardboard box, a Polaris Sportsman's radiator, 2 blower fans, a piece of old garden hose, a sump pump, and then I put the sump pump in here and moved everything off to one side. The C-clamp holds the hoses. The water swirls in here, and you put ice on this side, and as the water swirls, it goes across the ice, cooling the water down. It goes through the radiator, chilling the air that's being blown through it to drop the temperature in my room so it's not 86 fucking degrees in here. It works way better than a swamp cooler or even a bucket with ice. This is one step up from those blocks of ice in a styrofoam cooler.